The Scarcity of Silence. Good Friday in a loud world. Let's be real. It's 2026 and the world is vibrating with noise. We've got miracle AI fixes for things we didn't know were broken, global tensions that feel like a permanent low-grade fever, and a digital feed that never sleeps. And then we hit Good Friday. Most people want to skip the good part because, frankly, it looks like a tragedy. We want the Sunday morning celebration, the resurrection, the win. But you can't have the empty tomb without the heavy cross. Today, we're looking at why the most brutal day in history is the only thing that actually makes sense in our chaotic current reality. Look at the headlines today. We see power struggles, systemic fixes that don't fix the heart, and a massive hunger for something real in a fake news world. We're all looking for a hero, or a policy, or a tech breakthrough to save us. But 2,000 years ago, the hero didn't come with a manifesto or an army. He came with a basin to wash feet and a back ready for the lashes. Good Friday is the ultimate unfiltered moment. It's God saying, I see the mess, the pain, and the absolute brokenness of your world. And instead of deleting it from a distance, I'm stepping right into the middle of the fire. In a world obsessed with status and influence, Jesus chose total deplatforming. He was canceled, mocked, and executed. Why? Because the problem wasn't just political or social. It was and is spiritual. Isaiah 53:5 says, But he was pierced for our transgressions. He was crushed for our iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed. Think about that word, peace. We talk about world peace while funding more conflict. We talk about inner peace while scrolling until 2 a.m. Good Friday tells us that peace isn't the absence of trouble. It's the presence of a sacrifice. Jesus took the punishment that brought us peace. In 2026, we are still trying to pay for our own peace through hustle, through correct opinions, or through sheer distraction. Good Friday is the blunt reminder that the debt is already paid. You don't have to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders because he already carried the wood of the cross on his. So here's your execution for today. Stop running. Take 5 minutes of actual silence. No podcasts, no notifications. Just sit with the fact that the creator of the universe loved you enough to endure the darkest Friday in history so you wouldn't have to face your darkness alone. It's heavy, it's blunt, but it's the only truth strong enough to hold up under the weight of today's world. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video informative. I'm out. See you in the Word tomorrow.